how to fix GTA 5 lag when driving isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just open Task Manager, and then go to Startup here, and now just close all the applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC, like this one. Right click and then disable it, and after that just go back. Wait, disable also this one, and then go back and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just go to settings and type here, just go to privacy and scroll down. Here we'll find background apps, turn it off, and then go back, go to system, then go to tablet mode, and never use tablet mode, and then go to notifications and disable it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.